How's it going, everybody? And welcome back to another video. It is your boy Billy the Muffin Kid Vlogs. I'm at the park today. Thought I'd get out for a minute. I didn't put this in the vlog, but my mom recently got a procedure done, so I couldn't really record. I wanted to give her that respect of because you can't really like record everything that's happening. So letting you guys know that the next vlog that I am recording for is going to be within maybe a matter of days, maybe a couple days. As far as channel art and my Facebook cover art, I'm still working on a couple things. If you guys have any suggestions or any ideas on how I could do that, let me know in the comments. Like I said, right now I am at the park and I figured that I would, just try to record something for now, and I'll be uploading on YouTube very soon. As far as other social medias like Tumblr, Snapchat, Instagram, a Facebook page, those are all going to be coming later on in the future, maybe. As far as my Instagram and my Tumblr, I'll be making a Tumblr really soon based on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to go follow, link will be in the description or wherever I post it. Link will be in the pinned comment or in the up above if this is on Facebook. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And the other day on this channel, I haven't been doing a lot of videos because lack of ideas, but gonna try to be doing a lot more content. Gonna try to find some things to do on this channel until I get to a uploading schedule. Trying to get this channel up in views, and once I get this channel closer to my main channel, then I'll be doing some more things on that. Figured that I try and get some content going and make some bulletins for you guys. So maybe, during whatever this is or wherever this channel is going, you guys can keep up with me. Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. It's your boy, Billy the Muffin Kid Vlogs. I don't know which clip or which clips that I left off on. So if this somehow manages to be in the vlog, then you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And comment what y'all want to see. I've recently been trying to get videos out for you guys, but I don't really have good video ideas. I have one video idea that is probably going to be up on the vlog channel very soon. I'm not entirely sure yet. Maybe a mukbang in the future. I'm not sure. So that video or the mukbang is going to be the next thing on my channel. And as for the main channel, I'm still working on some things. Channel art to do, gotta change a lot of like pictures. I still gotta change around description and all that stuff. I'll let you guys know on Facebook if y'all not like, like on Facebook. Blah. I'm sorry. I'm like just not waking up actually. So if this doesn't make sense to you guys, that's why. I don't have a Facebook page yet, but I'm posting all of my long length videos on my main Facebook page, which will be somewhere on the screen. If you guys want to go check that out, or if you want to go look through all of the vlog videos that I have, then by all means do that. Alright, finally got off the train, bro. It was the longest effing train ride I have ever been on in my entire life. So I didn't quite know what the hell I was going to be doing in this video. I figured maybe, I'd take y'all with me on a walk with me. Being that I just don't have any content to record right now, so maybe if the opportunity presents itself, I'll just walk around for a minute. Probably walk around Walmart or just walk around the strip, just trying to find something to get into. If you've seen my last vlog, it was probably a couple vlogs ago. If you've seen my last vlog going to Five and Below or going to the park, then you would know that I like to go places a lot. I don't really go out much, but when I do, when I do it's especially for a video. So, like, sometimes I like to go out, and then sometimes I kind of like, eh, you know. But yeah, man, let's go to Walmart, I guess, or let's just walk around and see what we can do. All right, so I didn't really go anywhere. I was really just trying to catch clips, so my bad for the clickbait. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications and comment time on next. It has been your boy Billy the Motherfucking Kid Vlogs, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.